Hello, boys and girls. Today I just want to talk to you about some different activities that you can do with time, some different games that you can play. We do have our flower clock still here, and I want to go ahead and show you some different things that we can do with that. Okay, so Addison, I'm going to give you the time 4:30. Could you please make 4:30 on our clock? So our hour hand's pointing at the 4. Remember, that's the little hand. 4:30. And then our minute hand is pointing to the 6. 4:30. Very good. All right, Madeline, your turn. All right, Addie, erase. Okay, Madeline. This time, the clock number we're going to do is 7 o'clock. How would you write 7 o'clock, Madeline? So our long minute hand is pointing to the 12, and when it's doing that, it's o'clock. And then the hour hand, the shorter hand, is pointing to the 7 o'clock. So you can take turns with your family members. You can go back and forth, and you can give times to each other and put those on our clock, okay? Another clock that you could make is just a paper clock. And then you could have the hands with just paper. And one hand could be the minute hand, which is the longer hand. And I wrote the word minute on that hand. And then another hand would be the hour hand, and that's a shorter piece. So Addison, go ahead and show us 10 o'clock. So there's 10 o'clock. All right, very good. Okay, now show me 7:30. How would you write, or how would you make 7:30? So the minute hand's at the 6 and the hour hand is at the 7. Very good. And you could also practice writing these. So you could practice writing 7:30, and you could practice it in flour. You could practice it on a piece of paper. There's many different places that you can do that. Okay, you could write it in sand outside. You could practice writing that. All right, another thing is that we have some Easter eggs here, and some of you may have some Easter eggs after the weekend and some leftover eggs. And so on some of these I wrote like 12:30, and I want to find the match to 12:30. Oh, look, 12:30 is 12:30. So we can take that egg and we can place it together. Very good. All right, another one we could do is, let's see, we have, 7 o'clock on that egg. Let's see if we can find another egg that says 7 o'clock. And there it is, and I wrote a clock on that one, and then you can just place those together. So there's another little game that you can play with your family, okay? Another really good thing to do at this time is to use time and write out a schedule, because time is really important, and it kind of keeps us going on the same schedule. So 7 o'clock, you can write what you're going to do at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, what you're going to do, 9 o'clock. So schedules are really, really great to do too, okay? I've so enjoyed being with you this week. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.